Want to unlock Instagram's professional features? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch your personal Instagram account to a professional, business, or creator account using your mobile phone. Perfect for brands, creators, and small businesses. Why switch to a professional account? Access Instagram Insights, Analytics. Add contact buttons, email, WhatsApp, etc. Run ads and promotions. Use scheduling and advanced tools. Steps: mobile only, Android, iOS. 1. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. 2. Tap the View menu, icon settings and privacy. 3. Select account type and tools. You switch to professional account. 4. Choose business, for brands, shops, or creator, for influencers, public figures. 5. Connect a Facebook page, optional for business accounts. 6. Select a category and add contact details. Cap done. Pro tips: business accounts get shopping and ad features. Creator accounts allow hiding follower counts. You can switch back to personal anytime.